I'm the queen of the jungle.
What is up, Pride? It's your girl Kelly J, aka Lioness J, bringing you guys another video. Today I will be showing you guys how I curl my hair using flex rods, honey. Get into these inches. You see it, yes. Why do y'all listen to me? But first things first, you're gonna need a comb that look like this, and obviously your flex rods. I got them from my local beauty supply store, or you can purchase them off of Amazon. It really doesn't matter. And some clips. Okay, I'm going to take these clips and I'm going to pin up my hair and get it into sections because it just makes it easy for me to curl. And yeah, this technique actually creates an organized way of curling the hair, and it makes it so much easier, y'all. So what I'm going to do is just comb out the hair. I think the key to perfect curls is making sure that the hair is nice and straight so that the pattern of the roll is nice and seamless. Now what I'm going to do is curl it from the bottom. I'm going to wind it around the flex rod and then neatly and tightly curl and roll that thing up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Don't be intimidated if some flyaways may come out of the flex rod. That's fine. You can just fix that a little bit later, but don't worry about it, because once you take the flex rods out, you're going to have to comb through it and brush through it anyway, so it's gonna look perfect, guys. Don't worry. Now, as you guys can see, I made sure that I rolled the flex rods in the direction away from my face to get that wand curl look, because one thing I don't like is spirally curls all that much. I just like it when it's around my face and framed towards my face. So here, for demonstration purposes, I'm just showing you again. I'm combing the hair out, making sure it's nice and straight. We are working through this hair, honey. Starting from the bottom, I'm going to wind the hair around the flex rod and roll it up nice and tight. Now, a tip: if the hair that at the bottom keeps coming out of the flex rod, you can just roll it in the direction where it's coming out of. That way you can just tuck it. But again, y'all, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can always fix that out later. Another tip I would like to share when using flex rods is make sure the flex rod itself is nice and straight. I always think it makes for a perfect curl, and it helps it make it look nice and neat. And when you're curling your hair in the back, make sure you use a bigger flex rod. That way the curl is looser and you don't have to deal with much flyaways. It can also speed up the process too. Trust me, boo, you do not want to be sleeping on the back of your head with 5, 4, 6, 7 flex rods in the back. That is not comfortable. Ain't nobody got time for all that. Y'all just gonna have to excuse me in these little voiceover videos because I be thinking I'm a thug, okay? Like, girl is on her way to help the streets, honey. I'm selling hope for the streets. They need me. They need me. Also, when making sure the back flex rods are in perfectly, make sure you get yourself a little mirror just to make sure that everything is nice in place. Okay, y'all, so I am officially done pinning up my hair. So what I'm about to do now is put my silk bonnet on, and I'll show you guys the results in mañana. Okay? the technical way to properly put on a bonnet. I have researched this and everybody puts it on a different way. This is just my technique of just plopping it on and making sure that the curls in the back, you kind of go over the curls and then kind of just like bump the bonnet up. So don't know if that's the right way to do it, but that's just how I do it. If you got it, flown it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check on. Okay, y'all, it's morning time. I'm on my way to work. I brushed my teeth and washed my face, so let's see how we did. Now, when taking off the bonnet, be very gentle with yourself. Don't try to rush it off. If there are some curls that come loose, don't freak out. It's okay. Just make sure when unraveling the flex rods, you are very gentle and make sure you go into the direction of the curl. So if it's going down, you go down. If it's going diagonal, you go diagonal. Just be gentle. And as you can see here, I have a curl that came loose. So what I'm going to do is just roll it around my finger. It's all good. We're pushing through this thing. So we got them out, y'all. They are nice and fluffy and I love it, and bouncy. And what you guys see me doing is taking my mirror and just looking at the back to make sure what I need to fix, if I need to flat iron it or if I need to spiral it again. And then take my wide tooth comb and slowly and gently fluff out the curls. Now this step depends on your liking for how voluptuous you want your curls to be, how soft you want your curls to be. I like mine voluptuous but soft. So as you guys see, I'm not, combing it so much. I'm kind of just fluffing it out. I'm taking my little tooth comb to kind of brush out the leave out that I have at the top, just to make sure everything is lying down perfectly. But then at the ends, I like it a little bouncier and, big. So that's why I'm kind of just fluffing it out and just playing with it to see where I want it. I think I'm gonna stop here. As you guys can see, I love how the curls came out around my face. It's so perfect. That's why I like to roll it away from my face, because it gives me a nice frame, especially with my earrings and everything, honey. I feel Puerto Rican. Baby, this hair makes me feel Puerto Rican. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to do more videos like this. If you liked it, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And wherever you guys are seeing this video, whether it's in the morning, afternoon, or night, good morning, good afternoon, good night. And I'd love to stay and chit chat with y'all, but I got to get to work and get my bag. Love y'all. Peace.